Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got some more freebies, so let's check them out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome lineup to check out. But before we get started, we want to give a shout out to Jackie and thank her for the heads up, for the tip on this free watch face that used to be paid. So make sure you hit her in the comment section down below and show her some love for this awesome tip. And with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick off this review. Now the name of the watch face is called WFP 55 Digital Collection. Very nice look. Loving the layout of this watch face. Now in the always on mode, you're going to pretty much get the same look. You're going to be able to see this in a black and white theme, which is not bad at all. And when the watch face is on, I'm really liking the color. I'm really loving the gauges that's going on up top. Now to the left, you got info on your step goal completed. I completed 106. I think I did pretty good. And in the middle, you got info on floors climbed. Also, you got information on your heart rate as well. And the gauge also represents the needle for the floors climbed as well. Now, if you look in the middle, you're going to get your days of the week, and it's going to be highlighted in red, which I thought was really nice. Let you know what day it is. You're also going to get your date, your month, and you're going to get your digital time and stack, which I always love. And you're going to also get info on your step status right here, which isn't a bad look. You come all the way down to the bottom, you got another gauge, which looks really nice, and that's going to give you info on your battery life. And it's also going to give it to you in digital numbers. I thought this was definitely a good look. And you also got shortcuts, so if you need to make a phone call, check the weather, check your settings, things of that nature, all you got to do is simply tap on it, a single tap, and you can go right into it. Not only that, you can customize the theme and the look of this watch face. I'm going to double tap on the time, and you can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer, and it has a lot of nice ones. I'm loving this one. You got to type it precisely. I keep hitting on the wrong thing, but you know how it goes. This is nice. I'm loving it. I think you all should at least give this a check. I think you all should check this out in the Gear Manager store. Again, it is free. You can't beat free. Everybody loves free. All right, you all. This is number one. Let's check out number two. Now, number two is nice, and it is a free watch face, so don't go nowhere. Don't cut the video off yet, right? Now, this is nice. Now, the name of the watch face is called Free NTC Project S9. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit. You'll still be able to see your time and your shortcuts. You're not going to be able to see the picture as clear, but time is what's most important. Now, when the watch face is on, this isn't a bad look at all. It seemed like this one will be for the runner and you, but you got shortcuts, and if you need to go into your music, you can with a single tap. Same thing for your S Health. If you need to go into your S Health to check out your steps, your calories burned, you need to go into your calendar, you can do that at a single tap, which is nice. You also get the battery percentage down at the bottom. And when you think that's it, if I double tap, I can customize the theme of the background, and I thought that was pretty nice. And this developer gives us quite a few to go through. If I can double tap right. And I'm liking it. I thought it offered more than what it was giving us. This is nice. So I wanted to cycle through all of them to give you an opportunity to see the many different things that this watch face had to offer. I think it's worth the download in the Gear Manager store. But at the end of the day, that's going to be up to you. Let's check out watch face number 3. Last but not least, watch face number 3. Now, watch face number 3 is also nice. The name of it is called Multimatic Diamond Silver. Now, everybody needs one of these watch faces, a nice, bright, white watch face to wear in the summertime. Got to have one in your lineup. This is not a bad look. Even in the always on mode, it's not a bad look. So I like this analog look when the watch face is on. And I like the Roman numerals that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now, this is a nice dress up piece, and it can be super casual as well, but dressy is the way I would play this one. Now, at the top, you're going to get info for your battery life with the meter that's up at the top. You're also going to get in this dial your days of the week. Now, the dial to the right, you're going to get your months, and down at the bottom, you're going to get your 24-hour time, and also you got your data to slant. So I'm thinking this is a really, really nice look for a white watch face. And again, this is free in the Gear Manager store. Now, there's no customization, no real customization to it anyway, but it does have something. If you triple tap And you'll get this, and you can go into this menu, and you can change Fahrenheit to Celsius, 12 hours to 24 hours. You change it from classic to another style in the AOD, if you so choose, to dimmed. And I'm thinking, I thought it was a nice look. I thought it wasn't bad at all. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of these freebies, and let me know if you're going to go download it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Enjoy hump day. We should be over it pretty soon. All right, you all, I enjoyed doing this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, please hit the like button on the way out. It helps my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.